Hi friends, welcome to Structural Bytes. In this video we'll see how to apply conditional formatting for top bottom rules and clear rules. In previous video we have seen highlight cell rules and clear rules. In this video also I am using clear rules option because while working with the different options I need to clear the rules. For that reason I have taken clear rules in this video. I have raw data available under top bottom rule sheet. I have two columns available for explaining different options of top bottom rules. I will use quantity column for explaining top bottom rules of top 10 and top 10 percentage. Similarly, I want to use number column for explaining above average and below average. First we will see for quantity column. First I need to select entire column before applying any of the formatting option. Go to conditional formatting, click on top bottom rules, and now I am using top 10 items option. Click on top 10 items. See here all the top 10 items are highlighted because we have only 10 items are available in raw data. All 10 items considered as top 10 items. If I keep on changing the number, see under quantity column, formatting has been removed automatically if I keep on changing the condition here. If I take top 8, only top 8 are visible over there, and for other two formatting has been removed according to our requirement. If I keep my condition as 5, only 5 items are highlighted, only top 5 items are highlighted. This is how top 10 items option will be useful while applying for conditional formatting rules. Click OK. The same data I will use for top 10 percentage. So first I want to clear the data. Go to conditional formatting, clear rules. I am selecting clear rules from selected cells. All the rules cleared from selected cells. Now I want to use it for top 10 percentage. Click on top 10 percentage. Top 10 percentage is nothing but only one item from the one item is top from the entire list. For that reason only one item is highlighted. If I keep on changing the number here, automatically formatting will be applied. I will change it to 20%. Two items will be highlighted. This is how top 10 percentage option will be useful while working with our data as per our requirement. As I have already explained for top 10 and top 10 percentage, you can use bottom 10 and bottom 10 percentage according to your requirement for your data. Again go for number column, highlight entire number column. Click on conditional formatting, go to top 10 bottom rules, click on above average. See here our average is 5.5, greater than average number. Greater than average 6 to 10. All the 5 items are highlighted here. We have 5 numbers are above average. Click OK and again go to conditional formatting, clear rules, selected cells, rules were removed. Again go to conditional formatting for below average. Again I want to apply below average. See here the numbers which are less than 5.5 are highlighted. This is how Conditional formatting top bottom rules are useful for applying the data according to our requirement. Here we have taken very small database, so we don't observe any difference in time saving, whereas when we work with large database, most of the efforts will be saved while working with conditional formatting options. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do share, subscribe and like to my channel. If you have any queries or comments, please provide your valuable feedback under comment section.